got some bananas. What should I make? I know, banana pie. Let's start by making the pudding. First, we put the milk. Then this mixy thing. Now let's mix it. Mix the water, yeah. The more you mix, it gets thicker. Now I'm gonna let it sit. And now I'm gonna chop the banana. Let's peel the banana. Let's put the bananas on the bottom of our pie. We have our bananas on the bottom. Now we're going to pour in the pudding. Now I'm going to pour some Cool Whip on top. Now I'm done. Let's put some bananas on top to decorate. Here's a banana cream pie with a little happy face. Follow us for more recipes. On MB.